So hello and welcome back to my channel, and if you can see this fancy design here we have, this is basically inside of the family room of the job I'm currently doing. And the reason for the extra holes is because the layout that was done before, that was given to me, was perfect, but however after the fancy stuff in the ceiling was installed, as you can see, a lot of the lights was off. For instance, this back area here. So what I did was, you can see one right here. I basically moved it into the center of the opening. Here, this design that I have. So that's what I've basically gone with in order to fix this issue that we have right now. As you can see here, also you can see the extra that I made here. That's the logo. Same thing with here. This is one of the chandelier. However, it had to be repositioned into the new spot. Same thing here. It's landed on the actual bottom itself, but it's more closer to the center. So I took it and moved it to this location. Same thing here also. As you can see, it landed in between. Again, this is due to the changing of the ceiling plan. So as you can see, landed here. Same thing in the corner. You see the old wall here. Now you see the new wall. It's there. Same thing with this corner here. So everything had to be relocated according to the actual ceiling design. And that's what I like about seeing this little issue that we have here. So again, for all those who are just coming into the video, please look up the video, very important. Same thing here. As you can see, we've got this fancy design going on here. My center light is smack down in the middle, so everything looks to be okay in this area here. So again, this is due to the design of the ceiling. Now we're going to the kitchen. As you can see here in the corner, I'm going to have to move these two lights right here. Otherwise than that, I might have to move these lights over also in this corner here. So again, everything has to be shifted around, it looks like. Also here, also the ceiling side of this area is fine. But back here, everything is shifted. Okay, so again, that's the ceiling that I'm currently working on to try to resolve and fix because of the different layout that the homeowner currently have. Again, these are two lights, wall sconces that was added here. As you can see, the holes that was patched back here is mainly because of that reason. In order to get my wires where I have to go, this is going to be fire hose covered in here, access to the stair. This is on the other side of the family room where they have the wall sconces again. As you can see, I have to get the wires up and so again, I'd like to thank you guys for tuning in to today's video. And for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You can also leave a comment in the comment section. You can also become a member by simply hitting on the button that says so. And I'll catch you guys on